Hey, it's Ross down here at Harley Heaven Melbourne. I'm here with Jess. She's going to walk me through setting up for my first helmet. I'm just getting my L's and want to make sure I've got the right gear for the ride.
Yeah. So first of all, I need to ask, what is your riding style going to be?
Yeah, for the most part, I'm going to be looking urban, commuting to and from work, back out to some of the suburbs. But every once in a while, I'd like to venture out on a bit more of an adventure.
For that, I'd probably consider a full face helmet, especially if you're doing those higher speeds. Now, what type of options are you looking at?
I definitely don't want to be having to like jam sunglasses in or anything like that.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that I've got good visibility and lots of safety.
Yeah, perfect. So if we want to start with an open face, we would be looking at these genuine Harley Davidson open face helmets. They come with your built-in visor, so you
Great.
don't have to actually shove your sunglasses in. They're great because they have an easy clip, so all you have to do is put it in and then easily undo it, so there's no fiddling around.
What about communications? Can I use comms with that?
It's a new style Harley Davidson helmet. They have the ability to put in your intercom in there, so your center or your cardo intercoms can fit into these, and then snap it back on and you're all good.
Awesome.
The other great thing is you can wash these center cuts as well, so if it gets a bit sweaty up the bike, just put them in the wash and it smells fresh.
Don't want to be stinked.
No. The other thing is they are up to .BCE standards, so no matter what, you get pulled over, they are compliant. So if you want to take the next step, do maybe a bit of a full face, maybe a bit of a half face, we have that option.
Fine.
So these are the 2-in-1 Harley Davidson pilot helmets. They've now been upgraded. So you've got your visor and simple clip off face.
Oh, awesome.
Or if you're jumping onto those highways, getting all the bugs and that in your face, tuck it back on. Super easy, super breathable, but the front isn't as protected as a full face.
So it's kind of got the best of both worlds, just not quite
It's not
at a full
quite.
face.
Exactly.
Awesome.
So the next step up, obviously, is your full face. So full face comes in two options. You have your full protected full face helmet. This is the top of the range for Harley Davidson with the carbon fiber also in there, so it's lightweight and fully protected. Got visor, also sun shield visor. The other thing is you can pump it up on the inside, so it's nice and tight to your face.
Oh, nice. So it stays super secure no matter what.
Exactly.
That's great.
So even after 2 or 3 years, it starts to feel a bit loose. Pump it up, it's still a lot better.
Or if I get a haircut, all of a sudden I can keep it nice and tight.
Exactly.
Nice.
The other great thing is it's got safety mechanisms for your emergency stuff if you do get into a crash. Now, the other full face helmet that Harley Davidson provide is for those long touring customers that do love to stop at a cafe, grab something quick to eat.
Alright.
So these are your modular helmets. So you can lift up the front, got a nice visor on the inside as well.
Snack time sorted then.
Exactly. So these are great if you want to add even in your Bluetooth intercom as well. They also have the removable liner for the smell and also to keep it nice and fresh.
That's amazing.
Out of all those helmets, what do you think you're leaning more towards?
As a beginner, I think I've got to really focus on making sure that I'm nice and safe. I think for me, I'd like to go for the modular style so that I can open that up and get a feed in.
Yes, perfect. So for that, we're going to fit Ross up. So Ross, do you know your size?
Don't have a clue.
Okay, perfect.